8.2 is about finding perimeters of composite figures. Composite figures are figures made up of triangles, squares, rectangles, semicircles, or any other two-dimensional figure. Here is an example of a semicircle and a triangle combined to create a composite figure, and we are going to determine what the perimeter of this composite figure is. Okay, the first thing that I see is that I have a side of 8 feet and 6 feet, and I know the perimeter is the distance around a shape. So I am going to just add 8 and 6 together and get this and this is 14 feet. Okay, that's simple enough. Now let's talk about the semicircle. I know from 8.1 to find a semicircle, I have to do circumference equals pi times diameter and then divided by 2. Well, the diameter is 10. Our figure shows us that. So we're going to take 3.14 times 10 and then divide by 2. When I put this in my calculator, I get that the circumference is 15.7. Now, I know when we did semicircles in 8.1, we added in the diameter, but we don't need to do that this time, because really what we're just looking for, let me erase these lines. Really what I'm just looking for is this arc right here. And this arc right here is 15.7. And I already determined that this and this is 14 foot. So together, I'm going to take 15.7 plus 14 to get a total of 29.7 feet. That is my perimeter. Let's do one more example. Okay, this figure is a square with a semicircle on both ends. Because this is a square, I know that this right here is also 8 meters, and that this is 8 meters, and that this is 8 meters. Okay, because they tell me that's a square. Okay, I only actually need to know, for perimeter's sake, these two outside sides. This side and this side. Okay, so I'm going to add 8 and 8 together. And I'm going to get 16 meters. Okay, that is part of my answer. Next, I need to find the arc. I need to find the circumference of this. And you notice it's two semicircles. I can make it just one circle. If I pretend that square is not in the middle, I have a circle. And the diameter of that circle is 8. Okay, so to find the circumference, I'm going to take 3.14 times 8. When I put that in my calculator, I get the answer of 25.12. Let me write that a little bit neater. 25.12. So that is my arc right here and right here. And I know that the 16 meters are those two lines that I needed that are the outside. So if I add those all together, I'm going to take 25.12 plus 16, and I'm going to get my answer of 41.12 as my answer. Oh, let's put in meters to make sure I label it. So my perimeter of this composite figure is 41.12 meters.